One of the biggest pitfalls of using a weird little niche phone is that sometimes very popular applications get updated and stop working properly or stop working at all on your device. Over the last couple of days, I've gotten a few comments from people, and I've actually seen a thread on Reddit as well explaining that on the Surface Duo 1 or 2, I've only tested this on Duo 2, and I'm assuming it is in fact as reported true of both devices, Instagram is no longer functioning correctly. Let me show you what we mean here. I just installed Instagram on my Duo 2. You try to open it, and this is what you get. You get a logo and nothing further, which is obviously not conducive to a good Instagram experience, although one could argue maybe that is the best way to use Instagram. Not at all, but at any rate, I'm going to show you in this video, if you do enjoy your Instagrams, how you can very, very quickly fix this problem, because it is, in fact, fixable. The first thing you're going to want to do, and this is not actually a joke, you are going to want to uninstall Instagram, because that's just the place we have to start. This is not a joke about not using Instagram. Step number 2 is click on the link in the description down below to go to a website called APK Mirror. This is a website that hosts different versions of Android apps. It is reliable. It is legitimate. You're not going to get some sort of Android virus from doing that. I've used them for years. And you will see here that there were several versions, March the 28th, March the 27th, of these alphas and betas, that there was in fact a very recent update that appears to have been responsible for that. Let's scroll down until we see one that we think we can be safe with. How about March the 20th? It was working back then. Okay, so we're going to go with that one. Look at that build number there. That's the one we're going to pick. And of course, this is not the end all be all to this. You could pick any of them that were before whatever this update broke was, released. So just an older version. We're going to click on the little download button here. And this is where sometimes things get a little bit confusing. Let's scroll down to where we see download. I think clicking on see all available downloads just takes you to this. And you're going to say, oh my Lord, there's so many versions of this. So let me figure out which one the right one is. We're just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom to where we see March the 20th. Many of these are the exact same build number. We're just going to pick the one at the bottom. We're going to click on download. And you're going to scroll down until you see download APK. Click on that and let that bad boy download. Might be harmful. It's not. It's not harmful. Only in the way that Instagram is naturally a harmful application. Let's install it, and let's go ahead and there's some packages being delivered to my house. Yay. Let's go ahead and click on that APK. Click on install. Let it do its thing. You may have to give Edge permission, or whatever browser you're using, permission to install APKs. It'll pop up. It's very self-explanatory. Just toggle the thing. You're done. Let's click on open. And we should get to our login screen, which you can see there. So it is working. So let me log in real quick just to doubly prove that. And there you go. Instagram is working again. Now there's one more thing you're going to want to do. Go back into your Play Store. Click on the little 3 dots up here, and where it says enable auto updates, turn that off. That way it's not going to auto update and break once again. This should fix this problem, and eventually this app will be updated and it will be fixed completely, and at that point you'll be able to update and carry on. But until then, until this is fixed, you can simply do this, continue using Instagram just as you did before. Guys, hopefully this quick tutorial is of use to some of you who want to use this application. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more content just like this. And until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.